Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Leilani Maurelia Firsty. I'm gonna read about sentence, passive or active. Number 1. Clocks of extreme accuracy are developed by physics. Tenses simple present, passive, page 1. Number 2. Any time interval can be precisely determined or compared. Tenses simple present, passive, page 1. Number 3. The global positioning GPS system or GPS will be useless without clocks of extreme accuracy. Tenses simple present, passive, page 1. Number 4. The Earth standard was abandoned. Tenses simple past, passive, page 3. Number 5. Accurate copies of the PCR we sent to standardizing laboratory throughout the world. Tenses simple past, passive, page 3. Number 6. The secondary standard were used to produce other, still more exception standard. Tenses simple past, passive, page 3. Number 7. Every measuring deducting authority from the standard meter bar held a comparative charm competition. Tenses simple past, passive, page 3. Number 8. With that data given in the two significant figure, your final answer should be have only two significant figure. Tenses simple present, passive, page 4. Number 9. Those extra digits are meaningless. Tenses simple present, passive, page 4. Number 10. The one purpose of physics is to study the motion of objects. Tenses simple present, passive, page 13. Number 11. The performance of their car is determined by the car engineer before and during a race. Tenses simple present, passive, page 13. Number 12. The blood flow through a patient mapped by medical research when diagnosing a particularly dirt artery. Tenses simple present, passive, page 13. Number 13. The motion of tectonic plates is measured by geologists as they attempt to protect earthquake. Tenses simple present, passive, page 13. Number 14. The classification and comparison of motion called trigonometric is often challenging. Tenses simple present, passive, page 14. Number 15. Both of which one measured after a line interrupt. Tenses simple present, passive, page 18. 16. The seasons you will while riding in the book of blue 2 until 6 are indicated by the sketch figure of the bottom. Tenses simple present, passive, page 21. Number 17. A more extreme example is shown in the photograph of Fig 2 until 7, which were taken while shocked rapidly accelerated along a track and then rapidly brought to a stop. Tenses simple present, passive, page 21. Number 18. However, if the car or plane quickly changes velocity, you may become keenly aware of the change, perhaps even affected by it. Tenses simple present, passive, page 21. Number 19. That rate is called the free fall acceleration, and PCR magnitude is represented by 9. Tenses simple present, passive, page 27. Number 20. Head restrictions were built into car. Tenses simple past, passive, page 30. 21. Neck injury in read and collection contact to occur. Tenses simple past, passive, page 30. 22. A folder was strapped to a seat. Tenses simple past, passive, page 30. Number 23. The head acceleration was delayed by an additional 70 ounce. Simple past, passive, number 30. Page 30. Number 25. When the head is just starting to move forward, there already has a speed of 7.2 km per hour. Tenses simple past, passive, 30. Page 30. Number 26. The opposite direction is the negative direction, the end. Tenses simple present, passive, page 30. Number 27. A vector quantity is quantity that had both a magnitude and a direction, and this can be represented with a vector. Tenses simple present, passive, page 41. Number 28. If measured relative to the other direction. Tenses simple present, passive, page 45. Number 29. This is also 5 at the relation of physics. They are all independent of the course of coordinate system. Tenses simple present, passive, page 47. Number 30. They are separated by a number with until 100% and they the ruler of arithmetic and ordinary algebra. Tenses simple present, passive, page 55. Number 31. Such care are so common that special set of equation has been derived for dealing with them. Tenses simple present, passive, page 23. Number 32. One approach to the derivation of the equation is given in this section. Tenses simple present, passive, page 23. Number 33. We are then represented with the other remaining quantities and are get to find the truth. Tenses simple present, passive, number 24. Page 24. Number 34. Their magnitude are determined in terms of acceleration they would give the standard kilogram. Tenses simple present, passive, page 114. Number 35. A free body diagram is stripped down diagram in which any one body is considered. Tenses simple present, passive, page 114. Now, number 36. Kinetic energy is energy attracted with state of motion of an object. Tenses simple present, active, page 150. Number 37. We are interested not in the medical motion of the particle, but only in the motion of the center of the mass of the system. Tenses simple present, passive, page 220. Number 38. A sketch of the body itself is prepared by some teacher. Tenses simple present, passive, page 99. Number 39. A coordinate system is usually induced tenses simple present, passive, page 99. Number 40. The whole project is designed to focus our attention on the body of interacts. Tenses simple present, passive, page 99. Number 41. The ground is assumed to be an internal frame. Tenses simple present, passive, page 100. Passive, page 102. Number 42. The weight we at the ball is 20 Newton. Tenses simple present, passive, page 103. Page 43. You are pulled downward by earth. Tenses simple present, passive, page 104. Number 44 is bonding. This bonding is discussed more in the next chapter. Tenses simple present, passive, page 105. Number 45. This force is directed along the surface of a side, the direction at the intended notion. Tenses simple present, passive, page 105. Number 46. Fiction is assumed by to be reachable. Tenses simple present, passive, page 105. Number 47. A straight law pair must be focused and not the cantaloupe, but the interaction between the cantaloupe and one's the body. Tenses simple present, passive, page 107. Number 48. It is easier to say that this equation also is dimensionally correct. Tenses simple present, passive, page 109. Number 49. Newton's second law needs to be when for motion about an axis. Tenses simple present, passive, page 101. Number 50. All the vector for the first acting and the box are drawn with the tail at the nectar anchored and the dot. Tenses simple present, passive, page 110. The second is active. Number 1. Science and engineering are based on measurement and comparison. 10. Simple present, active, page 1. Number 2. We need ruler about how things were measured and compared. 10. Simple present, active, page 1. Number 3. We need experience to subsume the unit for free measurement and comparison. 10. Simple present, active, page 1. Number 4. Physics try to develop through extreme accuracy. 10. Simple present, active, page 1. Number 5. Physics design and conduct this experiment. Tenses simple present, active, page 1. Number 6. In the 792, the newborn Republic of France established a new system of weight and measure. Tenses simple past, active, page 3. Number 7 is constant was the method defined to be 1/10 million of the direct from the North Pole in the equator. Then says symbol past active, page 3. Number 8. The matter come to be defined as the distance between two fine liner engrossed near ends of a platinum indium bar. Then say symbol past active, page 3. Number 9. Suppose that you work out a problem which each value contract to a digit. Then say symbol present, active, page 4. Number 10. Then digits are called significant figure and they set the number or digit that you can use in reporting your final answer. Symbol present, active, page 4. Number 11. NASCAR engineers are practical about this disrespect of physics as they determine of the performance of their cars before and during race. Then says symbol present, active, page 13. Number 12. The GeoDigit use this physics to measure tectonic Pluto motion as they attempt to predict earthquake. Then says symbol present, active, page 13. Number 14. Motorists it determine how they might show surprisingly when their radar detector sonar waiting. Then say symbol present, active, page 13. Number 15. The word everything in this move. Then say symbol present tense, active, page 14. Number 16. The suns orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Symbol present, active, page 14. Number 17. Displacement is an example of a vector quantity which is quantity has both direction and magnitude. Then say symbol present, active, page 15. Number 18 is magnitude is the distance such as the number of the meter between the original and final position. Then say symbol present, active, page 15. Number 19. We explore vector more fully in chapter, but here all we need is the idea that displacement has two features. Then say symbol present, active, page 15. Number 20 is the direction from an original position to a final position can be represented by a plus sign or a minus sign if the motion is along single axis. Then say symbol present, active, page 15. Number 21. You have now seen me describe how fast something moves. Then say symbol present, active. Number 18. Number 22. The phrase how far more commonly refers to how far a particle is moving at a given instantaneous velocity, or simply velocity or v. Then say symbol present, active, page 18. Number 23. A common unit acceleration is the meter per second. Meter per second equals m per s or m per s squared. Then say symbol present, active, page 20. Number 24. Other units are in the form of length, time or length or time square. Then say symbol present, active, page 20. Number 25. Acceleration has both magnitude and direction. It's or yet another vector quantity. Symbol present, active, number 20. Page 20. Number 26. When the cap first began to move, the VT curve has a positive derivative. Their slope is positive, which means that AT is positive. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 21. Number 27. Next, compare the slope of the VT curve during the two acceleration period. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 21. Number 28. The sensation you would feel while reading in the cap of Vic. Sentences, symbol present, active, page 21. Number 29. However, we can derive other equation that might prove useful in the certain specific situation. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 24. Number 30. A vector has magnitude as well as direction, and vector follow the certain vector rules of combination which we examine in this chapter. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 41. Number 31. Not all physical quantities involve a direction. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 41. Number 32. The displacement vector tells us nothing about the actual path that the particle takes. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 41. 33. A composition of a vector has the same direction or along any axis as the vector. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 43. Number 34. A unit vector is a vector that has a magnitude of exactly 1 and points in a particular direction. Tenses, symbol present, active, page 46. Number 35. The block slows and eventually stop and then begin to move leftwards because the spring force is still leftward. Tenses simple present, active. Number 162. Number 36. We apply a force to lift the block upward. Simple present, active. Page 215. Number 37. The mass of a body is the characteristic of the body that relates the body acceleration to the net force causing the acceleration. Tenses simple present, active, page 114. Number 38. The difference is due to the nature of the two centripetal. Tenses simple present, active, number 134. Page 134. Number 39. There a hockey puck mover around in a circle at constant speed v, while tied to a string cob around a central peg. Tenses simple present, active, number 100, page 134. Number 14. Because the speed v here is constant, the magnitude of the acceleration and the force are also constant. Tenses simple present, passive, active, page 134. Number 41. Note again that a centripetal force is not a new kind of a force. Tenses simple present, active, page 134. Number 42. We deal with not only uniform circular motion but also ramp. Tenses simple present, active, page 137. Number 43. Curved position of highway are always being to prevent cars from sliding off the highway. Tenses simple present, active, page 137. Number 44. The inelastic collision of two bodies always involve a law on the kinetic energy. Tenses simple present, active, page 233. Number 45. We wish to examine the rotation of a rigid body about a x-axis. Tenses simple present, passive, page 259. Number 46. In this chapter, we consider tenses simple present, active, page 259. Number 47. The car accelerates as it moves down to the slope. Tenses present, simple present, active, page 160. Number 48. The sun emits energy constantly through rudder function. Tenses simple present, active, page 1308. Number 49. A radium source contains 1 mg of 226 Ra, which decays with a half-life of 160 years, 1600 years. Tenses simple present, passive, page 1308. Number 50. We calculate the velocity the object using the equation of motion. Tenses simple present, active, page 210. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.